Have you ever wondered how horses live in the wild? Wild horses have a lifestyle that is as fascinating as it is complex. In the wilderness, these majestic creatures live in what we call bands or herds. A typical band consists of one dominant stallion, a few mares and their offspring. The social structure within these bands is intriguing. The lead mare, often the most experienced and wise, plays a crucial role. She is the one who leads the band to food and water, navigates the best routes, and decides when it's safe to rest. She's the brains of the operation, if you will. Then we have the stallion, the protector, the guardian. The stallion's primary role is to safeguard the band. He's always alert, ready to fend off any predators or threats. He also maintains discipline within the band and ensures the safety of the foals. Wild horses are nomadic by nature. They don't stay in one place for too long, always on the move in search of food and water. They can travel many miles in a single day, guided by the lead mare. Their diet is primarily grazing, feasting on grasses and other vegetation. However, during harsh winters or dry seasons they might resort to bark, leaves, and even twigs to sustain themselves. Wild horses have an instinctive knowledge of their terrain. They know where to find the best grass, the safest places to rest, and the quickest escape routes. This knowledge is passed down from generation to generation, ensuring the survival of the band. But it's not all about survival. Horses in the wild also engage in playful behavior. They run, they kick, they roll in the dust. They communicate with each other through sounds and body language, forming strong social bonds that last a lifetime. So that's the basics of a horse's life in the wild. But what about the little ones? The foals. Baby horses or foals have a unique journey from the moment they are born. They enter the world in a captivating display of nature's miracle, a process that is both fascinating and complex. A mare or mother horse carries her foal for approximately 11 months. This gestation period is longer than most other mammals, allowing the foal to develop fully within the safety of their mother's womb. Upon birth, a foal's immediate instinct is to stand. They may appear wobbly and unsteady at first, but don't be fooled. These little ones are quick learners, and usually find their footing within the first few hours of life. It's a survival instinct, really. In the wild, a newborn must be able to move with the herd to avoid predators. Their first meal, however, doesn't involve any foraging or grazing. For the initial few months of life, foals rely heavily on their mother's milk for nourishment. This milk not only provides them with the essential nutrients for growth, but also contains antibodies that help boost their immune system. But life isn't all about survival for these young ones. Foals are incredibly playful creatures. They spend their days frolicking, running, and jumping with the other foals in the herd. This playtime is more than just fun and games. It's an important part of their socialization process, helping them understand their place within the herd's hierarchy and learning the complex language of equine behavior. In a nutshell, the life of a foal is a fascinating blend of rapid growth, learning, and play. They are born with an innate sense of curiosity and a zest for life that is truly enchanting to observe. From their shaky first steps to their playful antics, every moment in a foal's life is a step towards becoming a strong, mature horse. Foals grow up fast, learning the ways of the wild from their herd. But what do they eat as they grow? Stay tuned to find out. Horses, both adult and young, have a specific diet to keep them healthy and strong. These majestic creatures are herbivores by nature, which means they feed primarily on plant material. Their diet revolves around grasses, herbs, and even tree bark at times. It's a menu that might seem simple to us, but it's one that's perfectly suited to their digestive system. Now let's delve a little deeper into this equine diet. Picture a lush green pasture. This is a horse's equivalent of a five-star restaurant. They'll graze for hours, munching on grasses and herbs, extracting the nutrients they need to fuel their powerful bodies. And while you might not catch them ordering a salad at your local diner, the fibrous content of these plants is absolutely vital for their health. What about the tree bark, you ask? Well, in times when fresh greens are scarce, horses will turn to alternative sources of fiber like tree bark. It's not their first choice, but it gets the job done when the salad bar is running low. Of course, we can't overlook the importance of fresh water in a horse's diet. They need a constant supply to help digest all that fiber and keep them hydrated. In the wild, horses might travel great distances to find a watering hole. It's a testament to their resilience and adaptability. It's worth noting that while a horse's diet is high in fiber, it's low in protein. This is one of the reasons why you won't find them chowing down on a steak. Their bodies simply aren't designed to process high levels of protein. Instead, they thrive on a diet that is rich in fiber and relatively low in protein. So, horses have a diet that is rich in fiber and low in protein. But what makes horses so unique? Well, that's a question we'll tackle in our next scene. Stay tuned as we explore the fascinating world of these magnificent creatures. Horses are unique creatures with fascinating characteristics. There's so much more to these magnificent animals than meets the eye. Let's delve into some of the physical traits that make horses so remarkable. First off, horses possess a strong, muscular body, which is a testament to their power and strength. Their robust physique is built for endurance, and this is especially evident in their long, sturdy legs. These legs, carrying the weight of the horse's body, are designed for speed and agility. It's this combination of power and speed that allows horses to gallop at impressive speeds, a sight that never fails to take one's breath away. Now let's talk about those unique hooves. Unlike most mammals, horses walk on their toenails. Yes, you heard it right. The hoof is essentially a thickened, hardened version of the human nail, and it's this structure that allows horses to handle their hefty body weight. It's also designed to absorb shock when running at high speeds. Moving on, horses have a keen sense of hearing and sight which they use to their advantage in the wild. Their ears can rotate up to 180 degrees, allowing them to pinpoint the source of a sound with remarkable accuracy. Their eyes, positioned on the sides of their head, provide a nearly 360-degree field of vision. This wide perspective helps them spot predators and other potential threats. When it comes to their lifespan, horses are quite long-lived compared to other large mammals. A healthy horse in a domestic setting can live for over 25 to 30 years. In the wild, their life expectancy is slightly shorter due to harsher living conditions and presence of predators, but they can still reach up to 15 to 20 years. These unique characteristics not only make horses beautiful creatures, but also well adapted to their wild lifestyle. So, the next time you see a horse, remember that you're looking at a creature of incredible strength, speed, and survival instincts. So, we've learned quite a bit about these magnificent creatures today. We've galloped through the wild lifestyle of horses, ventured into the life of a foal, nibbled on the horse's diet, and marveled at their unique characteristics. Let's take a moment to canter through these fascinating facts once more. We began our journey by exploring the untamed world of wild horses. These creatures are truly a testament to the power and resilience of Mother Nature. They roam vast landscapes, braving the elements and surviving against all odds. Their life in the wild is a testament to their strength and adaptability. Then, we took a peek into the life of a foal. From the moment they are born, these baby horses embark on a journey of growth and discovery. Their first steps, their first gallop, their first taste of grass. Each moment is a milestone, a testament to the circle of life that continues to spin, even in the wild. We then moved on to understanding a horse's diet. It's not all about hay and oats. Horses are grazing animals, spending the majority of their day munching on grass. They also enjoy a variety of fruits and vegetables. Their diet is a balanced mix of fibers, proteins, and carbohydrates essential for their health and vitality. And finally, we discussed the unique characteristics of horses. Their speed, strength, and endurance are well known. But it's their intelligence, their ability to learn and remember, their keen sense of direction, and their undeniable emotional sensitivity that truly sets them apart. These insights into the life of horses truly highlight their beauty and resilience. Their lives are a testament to the power of nature and the incredible journey each horse embarks on from the moment they are born. Next time you see a horse, remember the incredible journey they embark on from the moment they are born.